Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Make sure your iPad runs iPad OS 15 or later and has a charged battery. Check for updates by opening Settings, tapping General, and choosing Software Update. Open the Settings app and navigate to General, then Keyboard to begin. If you plan to use third-party themes, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular to download necessary files. Keep your Apple ID signed in so purchases and downloads complete smoothly. Back up your settings to iCloud before major changes, just in case. Tap Keyboards, then select Software Keyboard to access appearance options. In this menu, choose Light or Dark mode to change the built-in theme. Use Reduce Transparency for more contrast and clearer keys on busy backgrounds. The keyboard adapts to system appearance automatically when you choose Automatic. You cannot install new themes for the system keyboard, but you can customize system appearance with display and brightness settings. Adjust keyboard brightness indirectly via Settings, Display, and Brightness. Download a keyboard app from the App Store and open it to follow setup instructions. Grant permissions only as requested and read any privacy notices carefully before enabling features. Enable full access only if the app requires advanced features and you trust the developer. Return to Settings, General Keyboards to add the new keyboard and enable it. Set the new keyboard via Settings and reorder it to make it the default quickly. Test the keyboard in Notes to confirm theme, layout, and typing behavior work for you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.